Namaskar. Hello everyone from every country of the world. Today we are celebrating 50th year, that is anniversary year of Earth Day. We are now talking to you from a Yoga Bhumi, the land of spirituality, India. Sri Mataji Nirmala Devi, who introduced Sahaj Yoga 50 years back, that is on 5th May 1970. This is her house, Pratishthan, Pune. What a coincidence that this is Sahaj Yoga's Golden Jubilee year and even Earth Day Golden Jubilee year. We Indians, whenever we get up early in the morning, our culture is first to touch Mother Earth, pray to Mother Earth, and we just ask for the forgiveness because whole day we keep our feet, we keep so much load on the earth. And it's so wonderful culture. I think when we grown up in a modern economy, we have forgotten that the whole universe, when got created, Mother Earth was the most important aspect of the whole universe, because without Mother Earth, how can a human be created? So Mother Earth is the most important thing if a human life has to be survived. So if human has to survive, then earth has to be protected. So if we want to protect our Mother Earth, there has to first, the change has to be brought among human. How this change can come? In India we always say that there are 5 elements. Element Mother Earth, ether, air, water and fire. These 5 elements, they cannot be created by normal any human life. We cannot create. Then why we have so much ego? We cannot create single drop of water. We cannot create a single 1 kg of Mother Earth. Is it possible? No. So this is beyond of mind. So there is a universal energy which has created this whole planet, the whole 5 elements. So out of which, if Mother Earth not respected well, we are ultimately bringing trouble to ourselves. The pollution has really spoiled. So on this day, if we want to celebrate Earth Day, first let us ask forgiveness to Mother Earth. Mother Earth, please forgive us for whatever the human mistakes we have done so far. But of course, we realize our mistakes. We want to change. But change among whom? Ourselves. So as a human, we have a tool in our body which can really change the whole thing. How? Yes, that is the point. Sri Mataji Nirmala Devi, Indian citizen, who gave Sahaj Yoga, a cognitive science, a tool to change the whole human transformation is possible because of the Sahaj Yoga meditation, because it works with the energy which is sitting in our body, and that energy is called Kundalini energy, which is sitting in our sacrum bone. So if we have to bring change in ourselves, we must raise Kundalini energy, get our self-realization. Once we start doing meditation, this change will be established. Now let's see how this energy is residing in ourselves, how to raise it. First we'll understand the theory part of it, then we will get the meditation experience. So are you ready? Thank you. So let's begin with the theory. So friends, this is the subtle system, which is a normal human body. If you think about yourself, out of the whole 24 hours, we are either thinking about our future or about our past. Very rare time we are in the middle path, that is the central, power of now, present. So can you see here, there is a Pingala Nadi shown separately. This is like a right channel of our body. The left one is Ida Nadi as per the Indian spirituality. So the right channel, it indicates about our future. It gives us the power of action, power to plan, power to get everything done. And the left channel is all about our emotions. This Ida Nadi, it gives us the pure power of desire. And the central is Sushumna. This gives us the power of now, the power to be in present. Now we were talking about the 5 elements. So out of the 5 elements, let's see how Mother Earth is connected here. So Mother Earth represents the left channel and the ether is represented by the right channel. Here there are 7 energy centers. You can see the first one Muladhara, second one Swadhisthana, third Nabhi, fourth at your heart Anahat, fifth is Vishuddhi, sixth is Agya Chakra, and the seventh, the last one, is Sahasrara. Now, the Kundalini energy, the mother Kundalini resides in sacrum bone, which is shown in a triangular bone. Shri Mataji Nirmala Devi, the founder of Sahaja Yoga, has clearly said, if you want to evolve spiritually, if a human want to transform, his Kundalini or her Kundalini must get awakened, and it can be raised to Sushumna channel, passing through all these energy centers, coming out of fontanel bone area. Now when this Kundalini gets realized, once the balance is established in between Pingala and Ida, that is right and left channel. So once this energy starts moving, we have to meditate every day, morning 10 minutes, evening 15 minutes. We have to balance ourselves. Now, once this Kundalini keep on raising, every energy center having its functions, physical, mental, emotional and spiritual. So every energy center will give us balance among these 4 factors. So Muladhara gives us the power of innocence, the direction in our life. It gives us the purity. This is again made of Mother Earth. So in Indian spirituality, when we say Lord Ganesha, it is made out of Mother Earth. The biggest festival in India, we say Atharshij. This is made of carbon. The second energy center, Swadhisthana, this is about power of creativity. Whatever we do thinking, all thoughts, they are generated from the second energy center. The third energy center gives us the power of satisfaction, the sense of satisfaction. It helps us to evolve any human spiritually. This is made of water element. Now, once we reach to the 4th energy center, that is Anahat, means called as a heart. So this heart is made of again air element. This removes the fear. Fearless approach gets built when the Kundalini rises. The power of confidence comes from the 4th energy center. Now, if you look at this 4th energy center, which is very important these days, when the whole world is facing issues with the viruses, all antibodies are created out of this 4th energy center. So if you are under fear and if antibodies get reduced down, of course the attack of virus becomes easy. So through meditation, our heart energy center comes in balance, antibodies creation comes in balance, we become fearless, and it's at least you can fight with your full energy, and your power of immunity helps you because your 4th energy center is powerful. Now let's move to the 5th energy center. This energy center is made of ether element. Now this ether element at fifth energy center, it controls all our five sensations. This is power to communicate. All the flus which attack on human body, they first attack on fifth energy center. So in one line, if one want to be in balance and you want to have a proper immune system, the fourth energy center, the fifth energy center and the left channel which gets damaged whenever the health gets down. So these three aspects are very important and they gives us power to fight with the viruses. The sixth energy center is Agya Chakra. This is made of light element. Now this energy center will give us the power to forgive. We have to forgive everyone. Without forgiveness, we cannot ascend. The seventh energy center is the integration of all these energy centers. It gives us the first step of the meditation, that is thoughtless awareness. Give us the integration with our own family, country, with the society, with everyone. Now once we start doing meditation, the energy which keeps on flowing, the Kundalini from all these seven energy centers, every day we find a change among ourselves. Our health starts improves. So here one can have the benefit of Sahaj Fitness, which we'll understand after the realization. Now what we have to do? It's very simple. Let's use ether element and earth element, that is Mother Earth, to balance our left and right channel. Once the balance is established, this energy will start flowing in upward direction. Once it starts flowing out of fontanel bone area, we'll have the first experience of getting vibrations coming out of fontanel bone area. You can experience on both the palm. This experience is described by Sri Mataji Nirmala Devi as an experience of self-realization. Then once you receive this experience, you start practicing Sahaja Yoga meditation. So let's do. Why to wait? This is the biggest tool available in this world that is absolutely free of cost. Sri Mataji never charged anything for the meditation. Sri Mataji not only promoted Indian meditation technique to the whole world, but the Indian culture, the Indian art, whole Indian philosophy. So let's experience the meditation now.
Put your right hand on your left heart and pray wholeheartedly. Dear Sri Mataji, by your grace, I am the Spirit. Please make me Spirit. Feel the bliss. Now, place the left hand in front of Sri Mataji and the right hand on your forehead. Press it slightly and tilt your head down very politely. Prayer. Sri Mataji, in your grace, I have forgiven everyone from the bottom of my heart. Sri Mataji, by your grace, I forgive everyone from the bottom of my heart. Sit in this state for some time. Now, put the left hand towards Sri Mataji and the right hand on the back of the head. Tilt your head backwards in such a manner that your face points towards the sky. Prayer. Sri Mataji, if knowingly or unknowingly I have committed any mistake, please forgive me. We will sit in this position for some time. Now stretch the palm of your right hand and place it on the fontanel bone area. Rotate the skin of your scalp 7 times in the clockwise direction with the palm of your right hand and pray, Shri Mataji, please give me my self-realization. Please connect me with the all-pervading power of God's love. Give me my salvation. Repeat this prayer 7 times in your mind. Place your right hand 3 to 4 inches above the fontanel bone area and experience cold or hot vibrations coming out of the fontanel bone area. By meditating regularly, your thoughts will calm down and you will start feeling cold vibrations. Now put both hands on your lap. Put your attention on the fontanel bone area and palms of both hands. Be seated in meditation for a while. Meditate for 5 to 10 minutes without any response or thought. Now bring both hands to the level of the heart and salute the God's power within you. Pray to Shri Mataji. Dear Shri Mataji, thank you for the self-realization you have given me. Dear Shri Mataji, thank you for the self-realization you have given me.
So this was the experience of self-realization and meditation. If you follow the same procedure every day, morning and evening, one can establish balance in left and right channel. And Mother Earth helps us a lot for balancing our left channel. Ether help us for balancing the right channel. So now once we start doing meditation, what is the benefit which we were talking about before the self-realization? So we call it like a Sahaj fitness, physically, emotionally, mentally and spiritually. So every energy center start contributing the benefit to us. So now here the most good advantage is we can balance our thoughts. Otherwise we are burdened with the stress and thoughts, reactions. So we can have a very easy balance and clarity in our thoughts. Our relationships with every human become so peaceful, normal and loving. These days we have everything, but we have forgot to enjoy. This joy comes from the heart. When the energy starts flowing, our heart becomes so pure, we start enjoying. There is a balance in our own day-to-day, family and our office, financial system. Our progress starts just evolving. And wherever we go, the flow of aura, the vibrations, it can influence anything. So this is the meditation which is free and very useful for transforming ourselves. Who can practice? Anyone, any age, whole family can practice. So Sri Mataji, when founded Sahaja Yoga on 5th May 1970, she started with 10 people. Now this is a massive movement. It is available almost in every country. Whole world is locked down. But from our house in Pune Pratishthan, we are hosting morning and evening meditation. And more than 0.25 million people are enjoying this meditation. So we request every one of you, just experience. Please do this for next 7 days, morning and evening. Observe the change and you yourself will find that what a peace and joy you are having which is within. So during lockdown you cannot go outside. So let's go inside. Find the peace and joy within. And that is possible through Sahaja Yoga. So here as a Sahaja Yogis, we automatically start respecting Mother Earth, and this Mother Earth in return gives us the good vibrations. So if you want to respect really Mother Earth, it's our duty to meditate first. First change ourselves and then the whole environment will change. So thank you so much for joining the session today, and we wish you all the best on this holy day, that is Earth Day, 50th year, that is a Golden Jubilee year. Thank you from India.